Monetize your passion. Here are some tips that I am implementing in monetizing my art business online. So you can make money doing what you love as an artist. And I'd like to share with you different ways. So I guess the basic way is sort of preparing yourself by doing a bit of deep work, some deep work every day. And this is your way. Basically, before you start, doing your art, it's a good way, it's a good practice to always draw in your sketchbook to get kind of everything out of your head and onto paper just to get it out. Even if it's poetry, drawing, painting, whatever, get it out of your head so that you can be clear about what type of art you want to create and what your message is. And just to get focused. And even, I would say, too, go out for a walk as well to clear your mind. And my next point is in ways to, create income from your passion is, I guess the most obvious one is share your art. You can film videos like time lapse of your process. You can take photos of what you did behind the scenes. You can do videos about the process to get to your painting or piece and just share your story as well. Just simply talk about why you're, on this art journey. What made you, what was the point? What was the turning point in your life that made you want to do art and be creative? And share that with others. So share your story, share some behind the scenes, process videos, time lapse, and even reveals as well, and make it unique to your style, and you can even do, if you only do sketch, just show off your art supplies, your favorite drawing pencils. Make it unique to your medium of art. So, mhm. So basically, the beauty of social media and having your camera phone, it makes it a lot easier to reach your audience through video and photos that you share online. So take full advantage of that. It's much easier to find your audience and to find your people by sharing your process. And you don't have to share all of it. If you want to keep some of it a secret, that's okay too. But be mindful of, you know, share some of it. So, yes, going along, you found your passion for art, and now now you know kind of what exactly the type of art you want to do. And like my other example, say you just love illustrating using pencil and doing, say, hyper realistic drawings, focus on that and zero in on that, and you will find, your audience through sharing that even on multiple platforms as well. So being very specific about the type of art you want to do and sharing it in a consistent way, and that will also bring your audience, and you can also build your community that way as well. So just having a clear focus. A clear focus on your type of art and your niche in the art community, it's a great way to do research as well. You could see others that are doing something similar, and you can figure out your unique voice. And yeah, it just makes it easier when you do your own research on the types of videos that you want to do that will grab your audience attention, and also making sure it's unique to your style and to your voice. Now, once you have your audience, now it's time to develop your own brand and your unique sort of value that you want to share with your audience. And with that would be your unique style of storytelling. What is your lifestyle like, and how do you create art? and also the types of pieces that you want to sell. Because, for example, there's an artist that does medium sized pieces, but also little Polaroids as well. Do you want to offer a small version of your art? And how are you going to make that custom to them for your customer, for your audience? So just figure out the next step is your own brand and your own unique storytelling style to share with your audience so that they know this is you and they know when I click on this video, I know this style and this brand is this person. So you're on that train of developing more on a higher level who you are. And it's a good idea too to try to find, an easy logo to stand out as well about who you are. And not only develop a logo, make sure your photo is out there as well so people know who you are in your, say your profile pic, have a photo of yourself in there. Even if you don't always want to show yourself online, just have some type of representation of you out there so people know who you are. And then no one can copy you too much. Have a photo of yourself in some form on your profile and one or two videos with yourself in it so people know where to find you and who you are. Next would be monetization strategies. So there are many ways to do this. There are many options. There is first starting with affiliate marketing. There's sponsorships. You can offer online courses or coaching, subscriptions. You can offer services or selling products like print on demand through your own website or through a third party website. There are many, many options, and try to find what works for you and make it work for yourself. If you don't have a lot of space to keep, a lot of your own art at work at home, you can do print on demand. That's an option. And sponsorships, you can sort of do brand collabs with other art companies, art supply companies, and promote their art supplies through affiliate. You can also do that as well, promoting what types of art material you love using. So there's so many options. You got to find what's right for you. And even another idea about even doing a service that would kind of go under commissions. If you want to do, custom work for different clients, that's a great option to sort of help get you known in our community and, get known out there aside from online. So there are many revenue streams that are available to artists out there, and the sky's the limit. So I would stick to one or two in the beginning and just get good at them and learn everything about those types of streams. And don't get overwhelmed by all the options. Learn everything that you can and just do one or two and make it work for your business. And make sure you know your numbers so that these revenue streams can help support your life and your art business because, we all got to live. So know your numbers and make sure the revenue streams can help support your life. So, my final point is building your presence online and building your community is so important. This will help you in so many ways to keep on growing your business and just getting better because once people see you consistently on multiple platforms, that makes your message stronger. And also, it just shows your customer, your future customer, that you are a dependable person, that you show up every day, that you're dependable, that this is what you do every day, and The more you show and be kind of transparent about what you're doing, that's the way you can build up loyal customers and trust, because that's one thing that's so important. Even I look for that. Do I trust that this product is valuable? Do I trust that this product is good quality? Is it worth my time? Is it worth my money? You can show people that by sharing what you do every day and showing up, because that's what people want to see. Someone that's consistent, transparent, and that they're worth, show your worth. And people want to know how they're, using their time. Is it worth their time? So it's so important to do that. And it kind of compounds and builds up. It snowballs in a good way, since you're posting consistently anyway and sharing who you are. And, it all builds up. So it's a win win. Building up community, showing up every day online, excuse me. It all adds up at the end of the day. And not and not only with showing up every day, you're talking with your customers, you're talking with your audience every day. It's so important to interact as well by, talking in the comments, answering comments, and interacting with your customers as well, with your audience. It's so important to do that. So having an online presence is more important than ever. And make sure to include that in your business planning, artist friends. And until next time, bye.